Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I am going to show you how to pay your Simply Financial credit bill easily in 2025, whether you're using online and straight to it. First up, online banking. Sign onto your Simply Financial online banking account. On the left-hand side menu, click Pay Bills. You'll see a list of your billers. Find your Simply Financial credit card in that list. Enter the amount you want to pay in the box provided. Choose your payment date. By default, it's set to today. Once everything looks good, click Continue to confirm. Boom, your credit card payment is scheduled. Now, if you're using the mobile app, here's how to do it. Open the app and sign in. Tap the hamburger menu, that's the three horizontal lines. Choose Bill Payments and then select Pay a Bill. Enter the amount you want to pay. From the drop down, select your Simply Financial credit card. Double check the rest of the details and adjust them if needed. Finally, tap Next to confirm the payment, and that's it. Whether you're on computer or on the go, paying your Simply credit card bill is super simple in 2025. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. Catch you in the next one.